What I like about it is that this piece, I like it that it's flat. And I also like that if there was a piece on top of it, then it wouldn't be, then you couldn't see it, so then it would look good. And what else I like about it is that there's a cool I like the back spiral.
Oh yeah.
How that looks.
Me too.
I would say it's a bit thick though.
And there's this, and I like how those and on the back, what I like about it is that there was a I like the two back lights and the cool driver license, and I also like how there's a engine right there and a booster right there. That's also what I like.
Okay, first I really appreciate the style they use for these slanted snot bricks, which stands for stud not on top, if you don't know that. They use that technique doubled on this side, and I also like the use of those circular glowing pieces for right here and here on those slide pieces. It looks pretty good.
What don't you like about it?
I don't like how they don't include something that there's windows, even though accurately there isn't really windows right there. I know this is a model car and it shouldn't have doors, but doors would be nice.
Action. Show me the guy.
You can change when he's driving. You can put his helmet and get the wedge out of his hand.
2.
Okay, so our progress on this so far, the big one, is we have the rally lights. Take them off. We have some basic lights. It has a design for a exhaust pipe, which I like.
I find the pieces. Uncle Alec puts the pieces on when.
I put the pieces on?
No. Uncle Alec puts the stickers on and Quinn puts the pieces on. Hi.
This is our progress. Lego box. Now here's the big question. Will it work? And it's off on its journey. It sounds like thunder. Yeah, is that thunder? No.